Hey guys, it's your girl Shantana Redman. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a sleek ponytail with weave. So make sure y'all stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Hair that I will be using for this styling is the Bijoux Realistic. This line is the coconut line. So it comes with a 4x4 closure. It comes with a 22 inch, 20 and 18 inch. So for this styling, I have used a 20 inch and also the 22 inch. I was expecting for a lot of shredding for this hairline, but y'all, that did not happen. So it's a good investment. It just for you to might be doing a quick ponytail or just a quick styling. So let's get started in the video, and trust me, the hair is really soft. I was looking for the website, but I didn't find any, but I find it on the Bijoux website. So currently what I'm going to do is just going to section my hair in three before I start applying the gel to it. It's way more easier when you catch your hair in three, especially for a person like me who don't know how to catch up my hair in one neatly. So what I'm doing, I'm applying some Ossion ear wax to my hair now, combing it out and brushing it in, and then I use a scrunchie to catch it up, and I will be doing the same procedure for the next two sections. Guys, what I didn't tell you for this type of catching up is that once you catch up the first section at the back, then you're going to combine both the two front section and meet it in one to catch up at the back section. I didn't state that earlier, but that's what's gonna happen. So you just watch the video and see how I did that part, because I don't know if me explain it the way I know it is actually different from what is illustrating in the video. I'm gonna apply some got to be glue to my hair lining, and if you're worrying about heat damaging your hair lining, for me it haven't, because I've used it several times and it has not done anything. So I'm just parting on two little side here to like kind of give it a little curly little effect to the side, and after which I'm gonna apply some got to be freezing spray to my hair, and then I'm gonna use a blow dryer to let it set. Look of my ketchup, and you all see the struggle that I have to do to get my hair perfectly laid in one. So I went ahead and plait my hair and put a rubber band to secure it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to insert a hairpin between the hair and the west, and then I'm going to insert the hairpin down in my hair. Try to put it as close as possible to the scrunchie. I didn't do that until after recording because I didn't have a proper mirror looking through. So after that is done, I'm gonna hold on to the west, and then I'm gonna wrap it to in that direction that you see I wrapped in it. And basically that's what I'm gonna do for the two bundles until I'm through with the hair. part that you see I'm wrapping around, that's gonna be the one that's gonna wrap around the entire hair as well. So you want to make sure for this part you draw it as tight as possible. Then I'm gonna apply some Gotta Be freezing spray to the hair and wrap tightly around my hair, after which I'm gonna use an hairpin to secure it. I was going to just use the freezing spray, but I said just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna use the hairpin to hold it down. But you can just use it alone with the freezing spray and apply, use a blow dryer to it, or if not, you can just use the hairpin if you want something quick and knowing that you're not going to wear the style for just one day. And now I'm just gonna apply some mousse to my hair. You can, if you have any form of mousse, you could add to it. So I'm just gonna add some to the to activate some of the curls. And normally when you have like curly hair, it's always nice to like to apply some mousse to it because it tends to like kind of give it a more bouncy feeling and a more refined look. So that's what I'm currently doing now. And apply some more Ossion gel just to secure my edges, y'all, because if you have a sleek ponytail you want to make sure that your edges are laid. So I use a tail comb just to take out a small section of my hair lining so I can go ahead and go in with my edges. I still don't know how to perfect my edges, so if my edges don't look equally, don't come at me in the comment section, but that's how I do my edges. So I'm going to go as slow as possible for those who do still don't know how to make their edges. And you can watch this video if you have to watch it 10 times to see how I slayed my edges. Feel free to do so. Yes, y'all see your girl edges on boy and your girl ponytail on fleek. Like you see me, like oh my god, that's your girl. So yes, my edges still delayed and my ponytail is on fleek. You feel me? Finish with my edges, I went ahead and get spray some more freezing spray on my hair lining and some also on my hair. So I'm just going to use a blow dryer to let that set and then come back to show you guys how I looked for my event. Wondering why is it that I'm so excited? Well, it's actually my first time doing a sleek ponytail with weave hair, so you must know how I feel, like excited. But this is my finishing look, guys. It came out perfectly fine. And if you're wondering where did my edges went after applying my makeup, they actually went away, and I didn't want to style up my makeup, so I had to brush it in. But this is my finishing look. Make sure you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't get a chance to.